Hey guys, it's Nate with Skid Steer Solutions, and we're having our massive end of year sale, so it's never been a better time for you to save on your attachments. During this end of year sale, we have more products for sale than we've ever had, some as much as 25% off. So if you've been looking to buy, it's a great time to pull the trigger. If you follow Skid Steer Solutions, you know that we love attachments, and this sale is no different. We have one of the widest selections of attachments on sale at great prices, including this Typhoon clearing mower. Now let's check out what these attachments can really do. After you save yourself $1,800 on your attachment, you can afford to buy yourself something else for the holiday season, like a puppy. And while you're sitting by the fire making everyone some s'mores, it's the perfect time to daydream about what you're going to use all those new attachments for. Oh, or maybe not. So what are you waiting for? Come check out skidsteersolutions.com and pick out your next attachment.